It is day 23, and it is, like I said, back in biceps again. Not that we did it yesterday, but usually I'll do chest tries, back buys, legs, and then we do upper lower shoulders. But we decided just to do chest tries, back buys, and then repeat it. Didn't have a leg day before because, like I said, I was not feeling the hottest. But let me tell you, I picked up a different energy drink today at the store. Gorilla Mind Black Cherry Vanilla. And I think we got a contender for one of my favorites because, man, this is good. But one thing I don't get is when I see people drinking their pre workout or energy drink in the gym. It's called pre workout. Gotta get hyped as you're walking in. If you drink it during your workout, it's probably not going to hit you till more towards the end. But you do you. I won't tell you what to do, but I think it's smarter, or honestly, I know it's smarter to drink it beforehand. But it's okay. But we are pulling in, so I will see you when we get in there. All right. So, like always, like I say, we're going to start with our made movement for back. And we did switch to this machine because, like I explained in my other video, uh, my arm path is a lot more flared out on these rather than tucked in. And that's what I want because for these, I'm mainly wanting to focus on my upper back. And when my elbow is tucked, I'm obviously engaging my lat more. So this machine will allow me to flare my elbows better. Man, I hate machines for back that have these rubber on it because it kind of sucks with wraps. It's hard to wrap it around. But we'll hit one more set of those. Alright, so our usual preacher machine is being used right now, so this one we'll have to do. I don't know how the weight correlates, so we're just gonna eyeball it. It feels kind of light, but we'll see. Yeah, too light. try that out. I feel like in this machine I can't really lock down, if you know what I mean. But hey, we're gonna have to roll with it. We'll hit one more set of those. Okay, next up is lat pull downs. And man, I really liked this machine a lot better than the one we were doing before, actually. I'm glad I tried it out. See, now these have nice grips for wraps. Man, I'm so glad we tried this out because that is phenomenal. Unlike that other one we did yesterday, I did not enjoy that. But we'll hit one more set. Alright, so next we're gonna do hammer curls. Usually I would do normal curls first, but I decided to do these first. right. We'll hit one more set of those, and I think we're just gonna go right into our other bicep curl. All right, so I'm feeling a little dangerous today. I'm gonna do some just normal standing curls instead of seated. Why is that dangerous? It's not. I just felt like saying it. Notice there how I'm on the way down. I'm not just dropping it. I'm controlling it because uh, Jeff Nipper did a really good video on it once. It's the is it called eccentric? It's actually a very important part of the rep. So when you're doing reps, you wanna control it. So always prioritize form first over weight, because if you're just lobbing the weight just to get that higher weight, then it's not going to be as beneficial for you. But we'll hit one more set. All right. So to finish off the workout, we're going to be doing pull downs, and this will be the last workout we do for the night. I'm not going to do lateral raises tonight because my shoulders are kind of feeling it, so I'm going to give those a break, and we'll just hit this. It's it's yeah, yeah. Ah. Oh. All right, so we'll hit one more set of lows, and then I will see you in the car.
Bleach, 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 boom.
Alrighty, let's get out of here. Man, it is a cold one tonight, I'm not gonna lie. And it's not a good match when you're all sweaty, because then it just makes it extra cold. You can see, because I'm sniffling. And it happens every single time. My ears pop. It's, you know, it's like when your ears pop and then you can't hear yourself talk. I don't know why that happens. But let me get out of here. Alright, so let's recap. Today was another back and biceps day, and we progressed on all of our lifts once again. See, guys, this is what I'm talking about. It's just all progression. I'm getting at least one more rep, or I'm adding 5 pounds, either if I can every workout, which that's going to be hard, and trust me, it doesn't happen with me all the time, but sometimes it does. Or either, once a week, as long as you're progressing, that's really all that matters. It's progressive overload. It's just either bump up the weight 5 pounds or increase the rep by 1, and that's how you build. And like I said today, you always want to focus on your form before you increase the weight, or try a weight that you think you can do, but it's gonna throw off your form. Always stick with a weight you can control and do good reps with, because honestly, I think it's kind of a waste. I mean, yeah, you can, like they say, it's called ego lifting. You could definitely progress by swinging the weight a little bit, but it's not going to be as beneficial for you. It's, if you really get that form down, it's just a game changer. So yeah, that's why I always try to keep my form in, I like to say perfect, but it's never going to be perfect. Like last, I don't know which workout it was, but it was maybe a video or two ago. I think it was on the tricep push-downs. I think my ego was kind of getting ahead of me a little bit, and I was kind of throwing the weight around more than I would like to, so I actually lowered the weight, I think it was just 10 pounds, so I could really focus on that contraction, and trust me, it felt a lot better. You can't let the weight dictate how your workout goes. Say the weight drops for a workout, can't let that discourage you at all. Just gotta keep on building, keep on pushing. It's a marathon. Is that, I don't know the saying. It's not a, I don't know. But you guys know what I'm talking about. One thing I thought of while I was editing and doing some cardio just before, one of my friends asked me a while ago, how are you so motivated all the time? And I said, it's really not motivation. I'm just, it's mostly all discipline. You got to be so disciplined. Motivation's not always going to be there. You know, I'm not motivated every day to do cardio. Trust me, I don't think really anybody is. But I'm just disciplined enough to know that you got to get this done. And you know, once you're done, the dopamine rush of feeling accomplished and getting something hard done, that feeling you get, that's what I love. And yeah, I'm not, trust me, I'd say most of the time I'm not motivated to do any cardio. I'm just disciplined. But on the other hand, with going to the gym, I'm always motivated to go to the gym. I love going to the gym. That's why that's the easy part for me, is going to the gym. But you gotta be so disciplined that people think you're crazy. You gotta be so driven and wanting to achieve your goals that people are like, geez, this guy's got a problem. You gotta become obsessed with the process. You gotta fall in love with the process. And that's when real growth is gonna happen. You just can't rely on motivation all the time, because that's most of the time not always gonna be there. So yeah, here's my little pep talk for you. So I'm not the best speaker, but I think you guys got the point there. But yeah, another thing too that I did today, and I try to do most of the time, is just, you know, be kind to everybody. Like today, I went up to 3 people and complimented them. Just a simple, looking good, dude, or I like your outfit. Like today when I was doing cardio in the morning, there was this kid in the gym that I see once in a while, and when I was done, before I walked out, I went up to him, I gave him some nuts, and I'm like, looking good, dude. And he had a freaking cool shirt on too, and I complimented his shirt, and just his face lit up with a smile. And dude, I just hope I made his day. And honestly, dude, it makes me feel good too, seeing that kid's smile. That made my day. It made me feel good. So just sit. Oh boy, what's going on? Just, yeah, I love doing that. Just going up to someone's, just complimenting them and seeing the look on their face. Trust me, it can change someone's day. I can't snap, so just, I might edit a snap. Just like that, to change someone's day. But I think that's really all I got for tonight. And I hope you guys actually listen to that, because I've been seeing a lot of videos on like TikTok and stuff. It's always just people saying, I was in the gym today and I saw this, and I'm like, what are you doing, dude? I just really makes me, kind of pisses me off when I see that. It's like, really, like, you don't have to judge somebody for doing something different. Everybody's life's different, and they all do their different stuff. Man, my stuff is flying around right now. But yeah, like I see just people saying, oh, if you wear this to the gym, just pack it up. Like, and I always try to leave a comment like, hey, why don't we just focus on ourselves and maybe try to spread some kindness. I think that's why a lot of people nowadays are scared to go to the gym. It's because they're scared of being judged. Like, I was very scared the first time I started filming. But, you know, then I just started like, hey, people are gonna be like that, but you just can't let that stuff get to you. So, yeah, I don't know. A little motivation for tonight, I guess. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm gonna focus on the road here because it is very windy. So I will see you guys tomorrow for leg day. Because guys, I don't skip legs. I was just not feeling well that day. Alright? Jeez. But I will see y'all tomorrow for leg day. Good night, everyone.
Get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and like